Hey guys, we're going to make a quick little snack, and today it's going to be pimento cheese. And here are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some cheese, and I like the mild cheese. You can choose the cheese of your choice. You're going to need some cream cheese, pimentos. You'll need some hot sauce, mayonnaise, and for our spices we're going to need garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, let's go ahead and get this put together. So we're going to go ahead and get our cheese grated up. So if you can, it would be best if you have freshly grated cheese. And we're going to need like 1.5 cups of grated cheese. I'm trying to get this video done before my battery dies. I have a little bit of time left on here. This little gadget is so friendly and make life so easy when you're grating cheese. Now it has a suction cup on the bottom, but I have it on top of a piece of wood here that's not really holding, but it absolutely is wonderful. Okay, so we have enough cheese. We have our 1.5 cups of cheese. All right, this is going to be so quick and easy to put together. And you will have a quick little dip in no time. So guys, we're ready to put our pimento cheese together. We have here a half a block of cream cheese, and that is 4 ounces of cream cheese. We have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now we're going to add half of the jar of pimentos. And we're not going to drain them. We want juice and all. We're going to do half this jar. Okay, that's a little bit more than half. A little bit more of that juice in there. Okay, let's get our spices in. And each one of our spices, we're going to take 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to start with our garlic powder, our onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have some smoked paprika here. We're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. A couple of cracks of black pepper. As well as salt. Not too much because remember, our cheese has salt. Then we're going to take our hot sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 shakes. Okay, let's get that mixed up. Spoon cleaned off. Now we're going to add in our shredded cheese. We have 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, and we're using mild today. Okay, now we're going to take our mixer and we're going to get that all mixed up. And that, my dear, pimento cheese. Look at that. Let's give it a taste. That's a good one. It's a good one. Delicious. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. So guys, tell me, how would you pair your pimento cheese? Let me tell you, this pair really well with a burger. Make you a burger or a turkey burger, a regular burger, and layer you a mound of this lovely pimento cheese on top of there, and oh my word, so delicious. But this week, I am probably just going to have it on some crackers, or just make a sandwich. However you pair it, you absolutely gonna love it. Okay guys, everything is complete. Our pimento cheese spread is ready. And we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Wow, look at the consistency of that. And I like to just serve mine right on top of some crackers. Like I said before, this pair is very good on top of a burger. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video and you find it informative in some type of way. Always remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.